Hello and welcome to another update video on Doge. I'm here on the 1 hour time frame and we can see that Doge continues to hold below all of our, let's say, signal lines, below our resistance lines, and the market continues to print lower lows and lower highs since we topped locally on Monday, the 13th of October. So the pressure continues to be down. I have to say the move down looks, however, rather corrective in nature, not impulsive, which means there is still a chance for an upside reversal. But don't get me wrong, without a 5-wave move up and a break above resistance, there is absolutely no evidence that a meaningful low has actually formed. The pressure remains downward, and I treat this as a wave 2 correction in the orange scenario. It's entirely possible the wave 2 bottomed already because we have a complete looking 3-wave move down into the low of the 4th of November, but no impulsive upside reaction. So I'm skeptical about the potential of the yellow scenario. And for me, the orange scenario appears to be leading. It would take a break at least above the last highs, around 17.8 cents, better 18.6 cents for an indication that yellow wave 2 has already bottomed, but it would be questionable because the most meaningful level that we're dealing with here, let's say the first meaningful resistance, is actually here the swing low from the 25th of September, and here these recent swing highs, so 22 cents. Until we get above 22 cents, really there's not much from a bullish point of view that would give us any confidence that a low has formed here. I can't change it. I'm sorry, it is what it is. Pressure still appears to be down, and support is between 11.5 cents and 16 cents, and this zone has been tested now for a few times. And this area around 16 cents, which we're testing right now, just has generated a small bounce again. It's the same area where we had support on the 7th of November, the 6th of November, the 5th of November, and the 4th and the 3rd of November. What we now need to see is just an impulsive upside reaction. But as I said, until we break above these last swing highs, there's anyway no indication that a low is in. And without a break above 22 cents, nothing really bullish. So everything that happens down here, I would even treat it as noise, until we actually get a first upside impulse. So especially if we see only 3-wave movements to the upside, which we've seen, the bounce from that 4th of November low is clearly just an A, B, C structure. I think we talked about that yesterday or a couple of days ago. So we are left without any confirmation for now that a low has been struck. That's the update on Doge. Just a quick update. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. If you're interested to join MCO, the MCO family, feel free to check out our channel page. There's a video that explains the member benefits. By the way, on Sunday, we're running a public live stream as well before our member live stream. And as a member, you can also join the Sunday member live stream. You also get access to a lot of member videos. For example, SUI was covered today, Asta yesterday, SUI again, Uniswap, SUI. So you see SUI is often covered in our member videos, ICP, lots of additional benefits for those who support the work. And as a gold member, you can also join our Discord server, join the community chat, ask questions directly, and so on. Check it out. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.